Hello YouTube, here we are today. I don't know if that, I'm trying out ND filter with some ISO setting up, trying to do it, see how it works out. Hopefully it looks good. But yeah, I'm gonna fly around here today with the DJI and have some fun. Yeah, looks like a good spot. Might go up over to that hill too. We'll see how far we can push it. Oh, this is the drone, how it's set up. Got the DJI in the front. Got the Caddex unit right in the back there. Fits in perfectly. Like, there's still a 2 mil gap between the top plate and it. Yeah. Let's rip some packs. Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed the flights. I had some fun. Kept hitting damn things, but yeah, I had some fun. Thanks for watching. Shout out to my Patreons, and see you next time. Cheers.